Well, I don't know what you may be going through right now, but I know I was going through a tough situation in my life, and I cried out to God for truth. That's the first thing that you have to do. You have to cry out to a Father that you know loves you. He's accepted you, and He's chosen you. And your Father wants to pour out His love on you exceeding. He has prepared this place at Charis for you. If you come here with an expectant heart, everything that you can ever imagine and then more is waiting for you. The worst thing than failure is regret. So if the Lord is tugging on your heart today and you know that this is a place that He's calling you to, come on, step out on faith. God will never leave you or forsake you.